Just a couple of things I've noticed. I don't know if you can see it real well, but the screen is tilted down that way. It's minor, but it's kind of a finish issue. Moving on, this belt seems real loose as compared to the one. And I've taken these housings off, can't figure out how to tighten it up. The bed. Appears to be bowed. It's really tight right here. So it appears that we're doing this number. There's that issue. I had to replace this stepper, or this extruder. It seemed like it was under extruding. I thought maybe that was the issue. I just replaced that. This, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like this extruder is sitting in an angle like this. But the most alarming thing is power just randomly shuts off. So the bed will heat up, then the extruder will start to heat up and it'll just shut down. I was able to print, when I first set it up, I was able to do multicolor, but it wasn't dialed in, so it was offset. The offset had to be dialed in. I was able to then do one mirror part or ditto print, and since then I haven't been able to do anything. I'll probably have to speed the video up, but I'm going to keep the camera on this. It'll shut down here in a second. Or make me into a complete liar. One of those things. So I've tried this, I don't know, 6 to 10 times. And it keeps shutting off. At one point I had a print start and it did a few layers and then it stopped and shut off. So the power unit will completely shut down. There it goes. That's it. So to recap, power failure, crooked extruder, loose belts, bowed bed, bad extruder. Not a winner so far. I've had this Hictop CR10 for, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 months. It's been running non-stop. Love it. It's better. This CR10 is Creality branded CR10S. Nothing but problems. It's down right now. That's Smart Creality 10S. It's okay. I had some issues. Had to dial it in. I print a specific part on that. Set up parts. And of course the new Creality CR10 Pros. I love those. But this has been the best. This Hictop has been my best printer, and I love it. This Hictop, not so much.